Yeah, here we go. One more again. You know how we do. Today we got Thermaltake. Nice little case. V9 Black Edition. Supposed to be pretty nifty. It's got a couple of bays on the top. USB 3.0, 2.0. It's got a cable coming out the back. This bad boy's supposed to be pretty legit, so let's crack it open and see if that holds true. Manual. You already know what to do with that. Toss it quick as you can to blow the virus. Alright, that's off. So, this is her. I think this is a 230 millimeter fan or something like that. I don't know how big it is, but it's freaking large. You can just imagine, you put a palm right there and you see how big that thing is. I don't know if it's quiet, if it's loud. I'm guessing it's going to be really quiet. Usually the larger the fan is, lower it spins, more quiet it is. So we have that up there. A couple of bays. We have two bays that'll fit either 2.5 inch laptop drive or SSD, whatever, or the 3.5 inch drives. And these are SATA, they're not IDE, we even have those anymore. So we got a couple of vents. We have a clear panel here. So you can see all your pretty hardware. It's got, I think these are thumb screws. Because my thumbs aren't made for this job. Give me a second. Let's use this. Don't try that at home. Guts. So there it is. We have this USB 3.0 cable that's strung around on the inside here. Looks like it leads up to the front, and there's the it's around here somewhere. But yeah, basically you plug into your motherboard. That's how you'll get connectivity with that. And hopefully your motherboard supports 3.0. If not, your AOL. You have various cables for your power and other stuff. We have these thumbless adapters here, so you can get your hard drives in and out pretty quickly, or your CD-ROMs, your optical drives, whatever have you. We have a couple bays here, the 2.5 inch. These are for your floppy drives or your SSDs. You have your 3.5 inch drives here, and you can route your cables through the back, so it's nice and tidy up front. It's a pretty good looking case. It's pretty light. Also too, it's got the power supply down at the bottom rather than in the top. So we'll see how that works out. And this appears to be a 120 millimeter fan rather than an 80. I know those are pretty loud. So I mean, overall it's a pretty good looking case. It feels sturdy. It's pretty light, but it doesn't feel flimsy at the same time. And see, it's all blacked out, powder coated even on the inside. Everybody cares about that nowadays, but to me, whatever. It's a pretty good looking case though. And for the price, I'd recommend it. Thumbs up.